Hi, welcome back again, and here is the change step or two step. The time signature is 2/4 time signature, and the counting would be 1 and 2. And count one step right or left, foot in fourth position in front, then count and step left or right, foot close to right or left, foot in third position rear or in first. Then count two, step right, left, right or left, quickly in fourth position in front. So here how it goes. So count one, step right foot in front, in fourth position. Then step left, count and close to right foot, close to right foot in third or first position. Then step right foot quickly in front, in fourth position in front. So I go back. One, tap, 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 tap. 1 and 2, 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 1 and 2. So the next step is, let's move, let's continue, the polka. So in polka, there is a 2/4 time signature and one, the counting would be 1 and 2 and. So step right, count one, step right or left foot in fourth position in front. Sorry. Okay, then the step by step or the step by step description of polka will be count one, step right foot or left foot in fourth position in front, then count and step your left or right foot close to right and or left foot in third position or rear or in first, and count two, step right and or your left foot quickly in front position in fourth position in front. So bend the body to the same direction of the step. Okay, so let's dance. Step your right foot and step your left, close to right and step the right foot. Okay, that's it. Wait, I get back to you. And let's do the mazurka. So slide your right foot in second position. Second position, slide it in second position. Then cut and hop. That's it. On the other side, slide, slide, cut, hop. Slide, cut, hop. Slide, cut, hop. Slide, cut, hop. That's it. That's how you're going to do the mazurka. Then the next would be, the sway balance. So step right or left foot obliquely forward right, and count 1, 2, and then step your left or right foot across the right, left, or across the right or left foot, across the right or left foot in, that's so big, in, I lost the word. Yes. So here is the footwork. Step the right, let's start. Or count 1 and 2. Count 1, 2. Step right or left foot obliquely forward, right. And or left. Then count 3, step left. Step your left foot or your right foot across the right or left foot in front. Let's see if there's still, and count for the second measure. Count your I count 1, 2. Step right. Step your right foot obliquely backward, right. So are you ready to show? Oh, are you ready to dance? Yes. So now let's dance. So here's how it goes. Count 1, 2. Step your right foot obliquely. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. Let's check first. I'm sorry. I'm not perfect. Sure. But I'm going to check. Okay. It's not visible. That's why I'm having a hard time reading the next sequence. So bear with me. I'm very sorry. But I need to do it because I love it. So now let's go back. Let's go back. Hi, I'm back. Never mind the writing stand number. Okay, so for the footwork count, step your right foot obliquely forward and count 1, 2, and step your left foot across the right. Count 3 and step your right foot obliquely backward. Count 1, 2, and close, point, or brush, or hop, and raise or waltz. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That's it. Or if you want, if it is a hook or hop, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That's it. Or if it is a brush, 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2, 3. That's it. So this that would be also the difference there is that the close point brush hop, raise, or waltz, left or right. So when you started with the left, you will on the next step. When you started in the right, and your second step will be right, and then if you started with the left, your second step will be right. Either if you choose left or right, just if you started with the left, just the second step, your second step will be right. But if you started with the right, your second step will be left. And the next is close step. The close step. Here is the close step. So count 1. Let's begin with the other. I will just make it larger. Oh, it's so hard. So count 1. Never mind. So the two close steps with there are two close steps. Two close steps with different time signature. The first will be 2/4 time signature, which will be count as 1, 2, and the 3/4 time signature, which will be count as 1, 2, 3. So now let us dance the close step. So close step count 1 will be step your right foot in fourth position in front, and then 2 close your left foot or right foot to the right or left. Left foot in third or first position. So here how it goes. So step your right foot in fourth position and close your left foot to your right. Either it will be third position or first position. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and 1, and yeah, that's it. 1, 2, close. 1 step, close, close. 1 step, 2, close. Yes. Step, close, step, close, step, close. That's it. So I'm very sorry with the lightning or the light. It seems like so dark. It seems so dark, but we can bear with this. And the second step or the second close step is the 3/4 time signature, which has a count of 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So step your right foot forward in front in fourth position. 1, 2. Then close. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, close. 1, 2, close. Never mind here. Here's how it goes. 1, 2, close. 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 So it seems like the second close step with a time signature 2, 4 is faster than the other one, which has a time signature of 3, 4. And the next is the lift. Lift. A spring from one foot landing on the other foot in any direction. So that would be when you make a spring, that you will start with a bend knee. Bending your knees, making your feet or making your foot just like a spring. And then lift. One, lift and lift. Okay? In any direction, it could be lift and lift and lift, lift and lift and lift and lift and lift. Joke. That's it. I hope you get the point of lift. And then the touch step. The touch step is executed as 2-4 time signature. So this will be a little bit faster than the other one, the other touch step. So count 1 point, right foot in fourth position in front, and count 2, step your right foot or left foot close to left. Close to left or right foot in first position. So this is how it goes. So point, point, that's the point, then point and 1. 1 and 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2. That's the touch step with the time signature of 2-4. And then the touch step with the time signature of 3-4, the count will be 1, 2, 3. So count 1, point the right, left, or right foot or left foot in fourth position in front. Then count 2, 3, step the right or left foot close to left or right in first position. So here's how it goes. So 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It seems like the same, but they are having a difference with time or the beat. And now let's move on the other next. And the next dance step. So we're almost done. So 3-step turn waltz. And step right foot, step right foot for the 3-step turn. 1, 2, 3, close. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, close. 1, 2, 3, close. So that would be all for this afternoon. or for this day. And so I hope that you have um, you learn a lot or you learn something in this video. So um, thank you so much for watching, guys, and to especially to all of you in grade 11. So I hope I have given my best in order to support your learning. So I'm very sorry for everything, for every imperfection, but never mind about it. And I know that everything happens for a reason, and in this stage we should always be positive in all the way, even if others do not believe in us. But never mind about it. Just continue and go with the flow. And you never know, somehow, someday, that you're already in your future, or you're already in what you are dreaming of. So that would be all for today. Thank you and goodbye. God bless you all.